All right, so General, just talk to us. What is the concern that you're picking, reason for which you're raising this alarm?
No, from the morning to now, all the stronghold of the NPP,
right,
there is tension there.
Right.
There is tension there. You take your time and go from Praso
right
to Enja. Look at what is happening there. The tension that is brewing over all these places. Surprisingly, when you go to NDC stronghold, Pasofiningo, the place is quiet, there's no tension there. And you have men in uniform who are supposed to make sure that there's law and order. How can people come here and be shooting? How can people come here and be slapping people left, right, center? An election that people are going to vote to decide who should be their member of parliament.
Right.
Does it have to turn into a war?
The police have been here. We've seen them, some with rifles and the like. Is it the case that you get the sense they are not doing enough for you?
But you're also a journalist. What is your kind of opinion about what is happening here? Are you happy?
Have you seen them doing anything? I came to hear the report of gunshots being fired. Okay, that's why we're asking the question.
So definitely ask yourself, how did it happen?
What is the account you've got? Because we came to hear that gunshots have been fired.
Well,
to hear the report of gunshots being fired. Okay, that's why we're asking the question.
So definitely ask yourself, how did it happen?
What is the account you've got? Because we came to hear that gunshots have been fired.
Well, where you stand now, right? Look at the statistics. It's the strong of the NPP.
Right.
How come we are having gunshots here, but you are not having gunshots
elsewhere?
What does it mean? It's an election. People want to intimidate our supporters. People want to scare our supporters from coming out to vote. And that's what is happening. We are expecting the police to do better.
Right.
We don't want it to get to a point whereby we'll be forced to defend ourselves. Thank you.
Right then. Thank you very much, Jenna.